sending flowers is like saying, here, watch these die. So we make flowers out of cupcakes. We bake them fresh every day, and people come in, they pick them up, or they order them online, and we could even deliver them in person. I don't have a sweet tooth, so it was very important that the buttercream was not overwhelming. The secret to it is just whipping it just the right amount. We have to whip it till we incorporate tons of air in there. So even though it's buttercream, it almost tastes a little bit like a whipped topping. It's just a very fresh cake. That's all it is, a very simple cake. And really, the buttercream has four ingredients. That's all the recipe has in it, is 4 simple ingredients. It took us about a year to figure out how to get a bouquet safely from point A to point B. And it really took our first order to fall apart, where we spent the whole night here coming up with our patented ways of making these bouquets. We do 3 basic flavors, vanilla, chocolate, and red velvet. We do that because these are gifts, and we want everyone to appreciate the flavors if it's a gift for an office, for example. I think that people try us because of the way the bouquets look, but they come back because of the taste of the cupcakes. I don't think that people think that they're gonna taste good because of the way they appear. They look a little meticulous, they look too much like flowers.